Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this early Monday morning from the balcony here in Brooklyn, New York. You're probably wondering, James, why aren't you at Wall Street? Why are you not on the way to Wall Street? Because I gotta stay in Brooklyn for a little bit because of alternate side street sweeping rules and I gotta move my car. New York City problems, right? But before I take the walk over to the car so I can move it between the hours of 8:30 to 10 a.m., I'm wondering right now whether or not the markets will be feeling just as good as I am today. I had myself a good, smooth, relaxing weekend, got to recover the body, much needed. So I'm feeling good to start the week. Are the markets gonna feel good to start the week? Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to start off the first trading session of a full week right here, not just in New York City, but across the East River on Wall Street. Stock futures little change this Monday morning as investors prepare for a series of inflation reports later in the week and as they brace for the start of the second quarter earnings season. This week's inflation report, the Consumer Price Index, due out on Wednesday, followed by producer prices, a measure of wholesale price pressures on Thursday. Wall Street coming off a losing week, the S&P 500 pulled back 1.16%, the Nasdaq and Dow Jones falling 0.92% and 1.96% respectively. Despite non-farm payrolls growing less than expected in June, slightly stronger than expected wage growth raised concerns over the potential for more Fed rate hikes. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms gaining 1% pre-market. Meta's new online platform, Threads, has attracted over 100 million users since its launch last week, per tracking site Quiver Quantitative. And lastly, some advice: when in New York, pay attention to those weekly parking signs.